the last video of the Blackbird series, and today we're going to try to get from start to finish using this sort of a guide. By all means, have your music up in front of you from that Hal Leonard Finger-Picking Beatles book that we've been using. Blackbird is in 3/4 time at the start, so I'll count us in slow, and I'll try to say the names of the sections listed here in block caps as we get to them. All right, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. That's the intro. Now we're at verse 1. This is the first inning. Verse 2. Bridge. Now we push through to the interlude. Now this is where we are done. We're going back to the bridge, which is the single sign, and then we're going to take coda 2. We're now at this second interlude. And if you want to do this little glide, this turn. Now we're back to verse 3. Outro. Now that slow down, retardando. go. Now you too can play Blackbird with a singer or another instrumentalist and get through it from start to finish. You know, some new techniques and options for working in this song, which is in G major with the F sharp. Managed to do some fingerings in different positions around the fingerboard. And I think it's a great jumping off point for people that want to do a little bit more complicated finger fingering or want to add to the information that they can get from the tabs that are in some of these arrangements. So hopefully this is just a start. Keep on playing, and we'll see you in the next one.